My time at Richmont really stretched me. Like I said, my calendar was already very full, but the opportunity to do online as well as in-person retreats and actually getting to know my cohort was just a real blessing, because we became a little family that worked together and went through this process together, and it was a tremendous blessing. And while I was there, it really caused me to look at what I believe, how I lead, because Richmont is an umbrella of many different faith traditions and denominations. It's non-denominational. And so it got me out of my own head and out of thinking in my own tribe. And it really opened up my eyes to a lot of different things and caused me to really dig in and to study more, write more. And I really enjoyed my time at Richmont. And I want to say that I really enjoyed the professors. They were professional and they treated us as adults as we are and as professionals. And if there was an issue with time constraints, and I travel a lot and do a lot of mission work, they worked with me through all of that. They really met me where I was as a minister, a very busy person. And man, it's been a phenomenal experience. I've really enjoyed my opportunity to be at Richmont. So the bottom line is, Richmont had a true impact on my life and ministry. I can honestly say that because of my experience at Richmont and because of this process of getting this degree, my ministry is better, my leadership is better, my preaching is better, and that's all because of this experience. And so I'm very grateful. I'm thankful for this entire process, as challenging as it's been. I'm thankful for my time at Richmont and for the formation that has happened in me, even in my 50s, of going through this process. And I would recommend it to anyone who wants to get a master's degree or a doctoral degree or a counseling degree. I would highly recommend Richmont. They're amazing, amazing people.